Alright guys, ran into a small problem. Alright, yes, the plate, I just got the plate off. But to my surprise, it is a flat paper gasket. Okay, this is called a rear camshaft plate. But there's a seal, not so much an O-ring. So it got me the wrong part. So I gotta wait for that paper gasket to get here. But I really can't wait, guys. I might patch it up until, because I gotta drive the car home tonight. I might put some RTV on this. And when the real paper gasket get here, just simply pop it off and reseal it back up. But for now, I'm about to go in with the new valve covers, guys, and the new EGR valve. All right, fairly simple. I'm about to dig this old gasket out of here, go back in with my new gasket. All right, fairly easy, guys, right? I agree. All right, let's get it, man. All right, guys, one problem I ran into. I thought I had an extra PCV valve, a new one, but I can't find it, and you barely can hear this one. Sometimes you can shake these and you can hear that little rattle, that little hear it rattling. Okay, that signifies that that's good. That's a good signal, but I don't hardly even hear this one. So, and plus I'm doing an oil leak. Y'all know how much I preach about checking and replacing your PCV valve when you're repairing any type of oil leak. Well, I don't have one, guys. I gotta make a run. That's what that means. All right, so I gotta make a run to the parts store, man. All right, guys, I'm back. Yes, I had to make a quick run. I got me one of these little cheap. It's a PCV valve, guys. So, the dealership. Ooh, man, y'all ain't gonna believe their prices. This is like $11 at O'Reilly's. So, I can go ahead and finish with this daggone car. Okay, that was my only stopping point. I didn't want to put the intake back on until I screw in the PCV valve. All right, it goes right there. I have the old one off already, so just a matter of screwing this on. I'm gonna put the intake on, guys. And then it's time for a big bath. All right, good old-fashioned bath. And then we're gonna wrap it up, guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, I am done with this bad boy. There should be absolutely no more oil leaks, but y'all know where I'm headed now? That's right. It don't look like they busy either. So I'm gonna park right here on the outside. See if I can get me a good engine clean in. Y'all know what I went and got? Y'all remember this? When I went to the AutoZone and got this? Watch this video right here. I even talked about it, guys. It's my secret weapon to making sure the job looks successful. If nothing else, it looks like it's fixed. There is gonna be no leak visibly when I'm done. It's fixed, guys, but I want to go the extra mile and make sure it doesn't even look like there's a leak. Because it doesn't matter if you fix a leak or not. If it's still, if the engine look nasty, that's gonna put a stain on your image. So stay tuned, guys. What's wrong with it, OG? I'm about to wash the engine up. Ooh, look at that baby there. Come on through. Look at that beauty. Ain't gonna tell the beat up, OG. What up, man? This shit is sweet. Hey, man, that is hell nah. It's a car show tomorrow at the World Congress Center. It's actually going on now this weekend. That's what I'm headed out. All right, sorry guys, I got a little. You want to cut up? Yeah, you hear me? All right, guys, we're going with high pressure, baby. Yeah. Some of that high pressure action. All right, guys, just left the detail department. Engine is nice, squeaky. Look at that. What a beauty, guys. If you don't take pride in your work, guys, you in the wrong profession, okay? Like I say, this car, I already tuned this car up a while back, so it purrs and runs like a kitten. Now, my friend, I have it looking like a kitten. No, that didn't come out right, but it's looking immaculate. All right, so you cannot tell this car once had an oil leak. All that's gonna dry up. That's water from it's gonna heat up and melt and all that good stuff. But I'm pretty much done, so I'm gonna let it up in the air and I'll take a look at the underbody, because the top body is just right. All right, guys, let's let it up in the air. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's let it up and see. Make sure there's no more leaks, drips of any kind. All right, where's the same spot we looked last time? I already cleaned the underbody off. As you can see, it's nothing but water from where I steam cleaned the engine. But that last spot, where did we find that spot, guys? Oh, it's right here in this area. Okay, I already sprayed under here with brake cleaner, and then I washed the top. Yeah, I think it was right here. So as long as there's no spot right there, that was the only spot actually. But guys, cleaning matters, guys. You don't want it helps you track down anything. I don't want to have to add any kind of dye to it, but yes, everything is dry. This chrome. I saw somebody on YouTube criticizing these chrome pans. I don't use them often. It's just somebody got me to put on their car, and that's what I installed. Seem to be holding up well right now. I don't know what's the deal with them, if they problematic or what, but all I know, I'm chasing leak and I do not see none. Guys, can you say hooray? I'm done with this car, guys. They got valve cover gasket, valve cover tube seals, upper and lower intake manifold gaskets, and PCV valve, and what else? Yeah, got the throttle body clean, all that good stuff. I want to make sure nothing appears to be leaking, because she have a squeaky clean garage floor, and I don't want nothing dropping on the floor. No kind of fluid, not just oil. I don't want nothing. So that's why I gave it a bath. Guys, that's all I have, guys. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.